Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we are at the subject property of the month, 1104 Elfin Avenue, and this is the first week of work. So, what we have here is a demolition process, and basically just have the guys in here, clean up everything. We pulled up the carpet, off the floors, off the stairs. Back in this area, to the bathroom, so got some knocking down to do. Okay, pulled down the door, cleaned it up. In this bedroom here, pulled the carpet up as well. Okay, at least we can see what we're dealing with this way. Okay, pull down some walls here, pull up the carpet as well. Okay, I'm gonna go out to the kitchen area. See, pulled down all the cabinets. This is where all the cabinets were at. Sink, walls, took the refrigerator out. Okay. This is all the trash they took out so far. Put up the whole wash machine, dryer, everything that's not useful, anything that cannot be used, they're taking out, sweeping up, cleaning up. Come upstairs, pull down this wall here, pull up the carpet that was in the bedrooms, up the old dresser, broke it down. Bedroom number 4, pull up the carpet as well. So, that, my friends, is 1104 Elfin Avenue, interior demolition. And we'll check back in with you later on this week.